Her world was small, bound by traditions and weighed down by pain.
Mom, why do I have to buy Marthy? Can't I run and jump like the boys?
This is your fair. Girls are born for this.
For the first time, she felt the taste of freedom, painful but full of longing.
How dare you take off the binding cloth? Do you want to ruin your future?
I don't want to bite my feet anymore. Why must I suffer like this?
You are a girl. Fighting is your destiny. Without buffering, there is no future. Woman must endure. This is for your marriage, for your future. A woman's duty is to suffer in silence, for the family's hold on, for the husband ply. Wherever you want it or no, the world won't weep for your tears. Now work. You must learn to endure.
Her tears and pain were confined within these 3-inch bounds, a sacrifice demanded by feudal traditions. These golden lotus shoes became her shackle, a cruel reminder of the price paid for so-called beauty and destiny. Now, they lie here, no longer binding fragile feet, but as witnesses of history, reminding us of stories and sacrifices that should not be forgotten. Preserving cultural heritage is not about reliving past suffering, but rather about remembering the lessons of the past, reminding future generations that beauty should not come at the cost of pain, and that freedom should not be bound by fate.